In this tutorial, I want to show you a quick and easy trick that you can use in Excel to apply the same formatting across multiple tabs in Excel. So here we have some sample data with each tab representing a different region. And let's just say we wanted the data in each tab formatted the same way. To do this in the quickest and easiest way possible, first we can hold down Shift. And then we can just click on the range of regions that we want to highlight, or the range of tabs. Now, as these are all selected, whatever formatting we do in one tab will then apply to all tabs. So for example, let's just say I wanted to highlight this and then make the first row with a blue fill. As we can see, now as I go through the other tabs, they also have a blue fill in the first row. I go again, hold down Shift, right click all the way down. They just say we wanted to go and make the auto width, so auto fit column width. We want this to have, again, it's still highlighted. We want this to have a border, an outside border. We highlight this again, outside border, and we wanted this to be currency with no decimal places, and we wanted it to center this as well. So Alt HAC. Now as you can see, we have this formatting applied on this tab, but fortunately, because these were all highlighted at the same time, the exact same formatting is highlighted and applied across all tabs, saving time and effort, and much easier than using Format Painter to get it across 30 tabs. That said, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.